In our last video, we covered the epic US30 moves, following a powerful buy signal that triggered at 2010 GMT+2, on November 7, 2025 as shown on this 5-minute chart, after identifying a higher timeframe confluence zone. The green board displayed here clearly outlines the buy setup and provides the justification for a trade entry, based on this green chic signal. We proceeded to monitor the buy signal, which delivered a staggering 1,224-point move with a drawdown of just 24 points, as shown here. At this stage, we anticipated a further upward move that would purge the liquidity resting above the October 29 all-time high and beyond. You can see the move played out just as anticipated, delivering a stunning 1,768-point rally by November 12, right from the buy signal entry level marked by the green arrow. With this extensive move spanning 4 days and the October 29 all-time high liquidity purge, a new key zone has formed on the H1 chart. We begin to observe telltale signs of a potential turning point in the market. Notice how the market fails to surpass the newly printed November 12 all-time high, with price heading downward, suggesting that lower prices may now be expected. On the 5-minute chart, a buy signal triggered at 3:05 on November 13, driving an upward move that broke above the Asian range high. This was followed by a sell signal at 9:20, which has already delivered a 154-point move with a drawdown of just 11 points. Notice how our familiar repeatable pattern preceded the sell signal, making this a high-probability short setup. This signal's corresponding sell trade was executed on a different trading account, which will be shown shortly. Watch this video through to the end as we continue tracking the sell signal, updating the move in real time, and aiming to capture maximum potential gains as the market unfolds. On the H1 chart, we can see the active sell trade entry, executed on a different trading account, currently running in profit. We will keep providing updates to reflect any subsequent downward moves observed. Drilling down to the 5-minute chart of the trading account where the sell trade was executed, you can see that, although the entry was delayed relative to the sell signal trigger bar's open level, it has yielded, and continues to yield impressive gains. Let's get back to our signal tracking and downward move updates. Now, for a trade entry like this that has delivered over 440 points so far, there is the option of partial profit taking and leaving a runner. Alternatively, the position could be exited entirely, with a view to re-entering short to capture any subsequent downward moves, as the sell setup remains valid. Subsequent downward move updates continue here. Trade closed at this level to lock in profits. A short re-entry will follow shortly. This is the short trade re-entry, which is already running in profit. If you're finding value in this content, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Now, this has been a phenomenal market decline, extending beyond our last marked level. The signal has delivered a staggering 973-point move so far, with a drawdown of 11 points, measured from the next bar open, based on Sheik's strategy entry option 2. This is impressive by any measure. Be sure to check out the channel pages to watch our debut video on this indicator, where we shed more light on the trading strategy, if you haven't done so already. As the market now draws to a close, remember that momentum remains to the downside, and we can anticipate lower prices until price reaches a key zone confluence on the daily timeframe. As always, continue monitoring these moves to capture maximum potential gains and share your observations in the comments section as the market unfolds. Thanks for watching. If you found this content insightful, smash the like button, comment and share this video with others. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Explore more videos on the channel for deeper insights. See you in the next one.